Let us see the last part of the PHP module number 4, the error reporting and error and exception handling. So usually whenever that error is going to occurring, so we'll be going to say that mm, by using some syntax errors, okay, because you will be going to miss this particular syntax, then error is going to be raised. For example, you will write a particular sentence, okay. For example, here dollar ABC or dollar sum you'll be going to write. So you have to give a semicolon. So if you are not going to give a semicolon, or if you are not going to write the dollar in PHP to define the variable, error is going to be raised for that. Okay? Because such type of things are called as syntax errors. That is a good practice, that you should display that particular error, and you can handle that particular error by using some sensible exception handling things will be there to make that exception should be expected, okay, over the given point of the time. So it is nothing but by using the try and catch block, that it is going to be cached, and that error is being erased. You can able to handle this particular things very easily, because you'll be knowing that what type of error that you are getting it over there. Then to resolve that thing can be resolved by using the by giving the proper solution to that. For example, you are finding that particular file in the directory, that directory in that directory the file is not going to be available. Then what happens? The error is being raised or exception is being raised. So to resolve that, you should put that particular file in that directory, so you can access that particular file. So you can able to handle that particular errors easily. Here, there's manual reporting is there for the PHP. So the functions are going to be used here. Error reporting functions. All errors are going to get reported by defining like this. The function is going to be written here. PHP error reporting -1 colon. Okay. So this is being getting executed by this PHP admin. It is going to be all the errors are going to be get reported over there. Next is to display the all errors. So you'll be going to use one particular function, that is eall. So error reporting function is a built-in function. It is going to be there for the better development of the programs. Developers are going to be used. So here one example is, how do I get the PHP errors to display the function? Okay. So I want to display the errors. So how can I display it? Check the PHP inf file. This file is there. Okay, and display the errors is set. Error is going to be set, and also error reporting is going to be eall. It is going to be any errors related to that. When a file is not going to be available or something has been happened, I have restricted my Apache web server. So this is the error that it is going to be raised over. Any errors that it is going to get reports. So you can handle that particular error by using another method also, die method, that you are going to use it. Already we discussed about this in the die method. To handle the errors by properly can lead to the many unforeseen consequences. Always the errors are going to be unforeseen only, but when that is getting executed and when the input is getting entered, based on that the errors are going to be raised. Yeah, it's very simple PHP handle to handle that particular errors by using the die function. So we'll be going to use the die function for that, because you'll be going to use the die function is the echo as well as cache block that you'll be going to print. Okay, so echo is going to be getting printed over there, which type of error it is, and cache block which catches that particular error. So here is one example that this number it is 1045 access denied. Okay? So for what actually? Username and password. Okay? If it is not going to match properly, then access denied is going to appear. Here die function that be used here. What is the warning that it is going to be going to display that name of the server is not found, localhost not found. Okay, line so and so. Okay, that it is going to be get printed. Then query, if it is that particular username and password is not going to be found. That is the PHP network address, that particular address, sometimes that it is going to be not going to be available over there. So then that time this errors are going to be, warning is going to be displayed. Name of the service not known. What exactly that you should do? That functionality is not going to be correct. Then the error has been raised, or warning is going to be exceptions and errors. The difference it is basically the PHP is an exception light language. It is going to be by default the last bit difference between the array and the sum. It is like that. Okay? Bracket and square bracket. It is similar to that. It is. And we can say that exceptions can be handled by using the try-catch blocks. Okay? Make the program function smooth. One important thing is that exceptions are related to the application, okay, but errors are related to the environment in which the application is running. The major thing is that exceptions are related to the application, which application that it is. Errors are environment, where exactly the input is going to be given that time. Based on that, the errors are going to be. So this is all about the your PHP. Thank you.